The road for crypto has been tough as of late, and today is even more of an example on why crypto is extremely volatile right now in today's markets, okay? In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts as well as talk about the challenges ahead for Bitcoin here as the risk-off mood in all of investing and finance continues to surmount. So let's break it all down. And guys, if you're all new to 99 Bitcoins, hit that like button. Please subscribe down below and join us here on the channel. And let's get down into it, okay? And as we do talk crypto and finance, please remember that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And always make the best decisions for yourselves as we navigate the crypto waters, okay? So today sucked. I'm just going to be honest. We went down 84,000 for BTC. Ethereum even touched 2,600 at times. And I got to be honest with you, I kind of had a bad day trading. I got caught in a couple squeezes, and unfortunately, the rest is history, okay? So it is what it is. We learn and we live to fight another day. But let's talk about what Bitcoin's doing right now. And as we get into the discussion, I do want to share with you guys a crypto currently in their pre-sale, okay? This is Bitcoin Hyper, all right? So it is a Bitcoin spinoff. This is not Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin Hyper. It's a meme coin. Currently in their pre-sale, they do offer staking as well as a discounted price if you do buy in as this countdown does continue. They have raised over $31 million right now, okay? So for a 0.013655 level, you can get one hyper token. I do suggest you click the link, check out the FAQs, white paper, all that good stuff, and I do implore you to follow them on X, as well as getting into the audit that was performed by CoinSalt and SpyWolf, if you can at your own leisure. And then also, these meme coins, these pre-sales, some of them do well, some of them don't. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I just try to hit on 2 or 3 out of 10, and then, you know, it kind of does enough from there that, you know, it makes it worth it. But these are all speculative, all volatile. It's a meme coin. All right. We all know the rules when it comes to meme coins. So please be sure to do your own research and due diligence. Make the best decision for yourself financially, okay? And if you don't know how to buy this crypto, you can very easily with a Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and or Base Wallet. You can grab a Best Wallet down below. There will be a link for that as well in the description, okay? So when we're talking about this Bitcoin situation, it's not just BTC, it's all of crypto, and right now, and it's pretty much all of everything as the risk-off mood intensifies. Right now, we have seen, like I said, a ton of liquidations as the sell-off amounted to $1.01 billion, okay? So this notable sell-off took Bitcoin down to 84,000. And then from there, guys, we are looking into a couple of the macro things that do play a role, notably the interest rates being paused from being cut here in the United States. And then also we could talk about the prices of precious metals. You can go into the Greenland tariffs with all that going on and the intensified conflict in the Middle East with Iran. It goes on and on and on, okay? All of a sudden, we pretty much found ourselves in the worst possible conditions to trade crypto here as we do talk about it. So the thing I'm looking at, though, as we do see Bitcoin under pressure is the ETF outflows, right? Everybody wanted to talk a big game about how ETFs are going to cause crypto to do well, how they're going to cause all this institutional adoption, yada, yada, yada. And then next thing we know, we're seeing almost a $20 million outflow on Wednesday that just kind of reinforced the drive of selling within crypto. Now, this is the most negative commentary we've seen since the price dropped back on December 15th of 2025. So as we do look at this and navigate what we're doing, this V-top reversal that we did see, that's the technical term for what we're seeing here on the chart. This is kind of where we've been backed by increased trading volume. Now, trading volume works in both directions. In this situation, this is further accelerating the sell-off pressure and a more prolonged downfall, okay? So if this does hold true, the Bitcoin price there could plunge below that bottom trend line that we could see even an 80,000 or 75,000 Bitcoin, okay? This is not FUD, this is just numbers and kind of what we've looked at as we do look at something called the momentum indicator, otherwise known as the ADX. Sitting at 25% is indicating that the sellers have sufficient room to even further this downtrend, okay? So that works in both ways. We could see a very sharp reversal if we do hold the trend line. that's where we can consolidate for a little bit and then potentially even kind of switch gears into a bull mode if we do want to talk about it in the other side of the coin. Okay, but that's pretty much the update. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys see happening for Bitcoin and crypto for that matter? Do you think the selling continues? Are we headed for more of a downturn? Or if you have any other comments to add, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now on your way out. And also feel free to check out the links that we do have in the description if you do want to get involved with that pre-sale for Bitcoin Hyper and or download a best wallet today. Okay. Thanks again. And we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.